Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to brightness an image in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see bright an image in Photoshop. Now going to the file menu option. Then click. Now click from open option. Now select from picture. Now click from open. Now open the picture. This picture in brightness. Now going to the image option. Now select from adjustment. Now click on brightness and contrast option. I can see brightness contrast. Now we apply the need brightness and contrast. Now click OK. That it's and this brightness image in shape. Now I'm going to write file option. Now select from save as option. Now select from now click from save. That it's now click OK. That it's now you can see brightness an image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.